Today we introduce you Golden Plate limited numbered version. Watch the video. Second-hand breaker business is full of opportunities, but very full of sharks. It may get dangerous, jump into the water if you don't pay attention to some details. I'm not here to bore, scare, neither teach you at all. I'm here to give our real answer to growing professional buyers' demand of more transparent working policy, agreed and confirmed warranty terms, accurate service report. These are not details. These are the key points to achieve a safe deal from both sides. With Golden Plate, we mean to set new standard in professional rebuilding industry. With Golden Plate, we certified that our rebuild inside have genuine main parts. I mean at least piston, cylinder, tie rods and, of course, seals. Golden Plate means to set a new standard in professional industry of rebuild breaker. We don't dare to be the definitive one or the best one, but we take the challenge. We take the chance to reach and achieve the trust of the only really important people in this video, which means you. I will attend the Cone Expo as a visitor. Give me a call if you are there. We can get deep into the matter. Put like on this video and please subscribe our official Repalo channel on YouTube. Thanks for watching Repalo. For us it is really important you keep following us.